Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib says, miserliness is a shame, cowardice is a defect, poverty disables a man from arguing his case, and a destitute person is homeless in his own homeland. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib says that if a person is a miser, that is, he prevents the usage of money in every possible way, then he is humiliating himself. Now, why is he humiliating himself? Because Allah has made humans in such a way that he is noble. And to be noble, generosity is to be found. And stinginess lacks generosity. That is why stinginess is said to be a source of humiliation. This states that a person has a lot to offer to someone else but resents this action due to stinginess, and this is against humanity. The second part of the hadith also tells us that a person should be fearless, and being fearful is a bad thing. A person should be brave and fearless, not a fool but a fearless person. The third part tells us that poverty causes a person to lose his ground in the society. That is, even though the person is right, his methods are right, and he is intelligent, he still won't be able to put his views forward just because of the fear of humiliation. Him putting his views forward will simply make him a source of laughter. So poverty is something that causes a person to not put their views and points forward in the society just because of the fear of humiliation. So poverty is something that causes a person to not put his views and points forward because of the fear of humiliation, even more poverty, and being a source of laughter. However, if a person does get to a point where he is respected and recognized, then none can stop him from putting his views forward and saying what is right. The hadith goes on to say that a needy person is homeless in his own homeland. Now, this is the reality of the world. A person who is weak, needy, and poor will never put his views and points forward in fear of gaining even more poverty. He is also said to be homeless or excluded from his own homeland because usually people don't want to keep relations with a needy person. Hence, a person must not be a miser, he should not be a fearful person, and he cannot put his views forward if he suffers from poverty because he is bound to get disrespected and humiliated. May Allah guide us and help us in following the teachings of Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.